No business or organization is immune to the change of technology, whether planned or unplanned, or driven by internal or external factors. Change can take various forms, from the introduction of new regulations to a new technology or technology segment. As an IT executive, we're faced with maintaining and growing the infrastructure, new product launches, new customer-facing solutions, new manufacturing platforms, and even possibly 3D printing. Not to mention the need to assimilate mergers and acquisitions. We have new internal demands from business units which are faced with increasing pressure to integrate technology into everything that they do. This ranges from manufacturing to operations to marketing. Technology has moved from being nice to have to critical to survive. As the IT executive, you're expected to be in the know. Not an easy task. This is especially true of the New World Marketing Technologies, or MarTech. Let me introduce you to Joanne Thomas. She's head of Marketing, Technologies, and Innovations at Adele Financial. Joanne?
Thanks, Barry. Marketing is the growth area of business, and IT must be responsive. Areas such as big data analytics, mobile platforms and computing, and the effect of social networks on the reputation of the company cannot be ignored. Our role is to bring a technology competency into the marketing organization to ensure that our digital marketers can focus on marketing while we focus on their technology needs. We work across all lines of business, yes, including IT, to ensure that what we are doing is not building a shadow IT organization, but creating a collaborative technology partnership that serves the needs of the business.
Thanks, Joanne. Having a flexible, adaptable, and even hybrid cloud IT infrastructure ensures seamless change management and adaptability for the needs of the company, as Joanne just shared. Unfortunately, this is something that many of my colleagues continue to struggle with. According to Gartner, the leading IT industry analyst, by 2016, cloud deployment will become the bulk of new IT spending. It will be a defining year for private hybrid cloud, and nearly half the large enterprises will have hybrid cloud deployments by the end of 2017. And what we're hearing is that the business units are going to demand more and more, and if they can't get it from us in IT, then it will go to the cloud. The years of complex systems that are fragmented into separate silos have made it difficult for IT to be responsive. New applications have been bolted on when necessary to meet intermediate demands or deliver new services without much long-term planning. The trouble is that while the fragmented systems run effectively day in and day out, when faced with change or a new request, it can be long and a hard journey to be responsive.
Agreed.
To make matters worse, some tools, applications, and technologies may be so old that they aren't even supported by the supplier, such as Windows XP, but nevertheless remain mission critical. What needs to change is that IT executives need to revisit their strategy and create a plan. IT executives need to be more aware of technological advancements and how these advancements can be adapted to their IT infrastructure. Even more important, IT executives need to have the foresight to predict what will happen in their respective industry segments. And how do you do this? Well, there's many consulting analyst firms that can help you. We just quoted Gartner, but you also have Forrester, IDC, Current Analysis, and more. But companies such as Intel, HP, and their partners also have a myriad of solutions to help you become more responsive. It's to their advantage to help you achieve a flexible and adaptable infrastructure. Use them. Today's key IT business challenge is to do more for less, to find ways to reallocate resources and budget from routine operating expenses to investments that more directly support strategic company objectives. This is what you'll learn about in this virtual specialist, what Intel and HP can do to help you improve your efficiency, lower costs, and help you become more agile and adaptive.